channel. All right, so I know I look crazy right now, like, because my hair is tied up. I actually was trying to section it. I'm going to be coloring my hair. So this is very spontaneous of me. I've never colored my hair this light. I'm gonna do like this skunk strip thing. The hair that I cut in the front right here is what I want to color it. So this is the box I'm going to be using, which is the Clairol Textures and Tones, and it's in the color Honey Blonde. So it might not take very well. If it doesn't get honey blonde, it's okay. So I just really want to just lighten it a little bit in the front, just to add a little bit of color. Right here, I'm just gonna be dyeing the rest of my hair jet black. I usually dye it jet black, and I usually use the Revlon ColorSilk Beautiful Colors in black. Yeah, in black, and it gets pretty jet black with this one, so this is why I usually use this one. I haven't colored my hair jet black for a whole year. It's been a year now, so I'm kind of really excited to do it. So I have a shirt right here that I'm okay with messing up. I'm going to do this color first. Let's just get started. So I'm only going to be coloring right here, which is my bangs, the part of my hair that I cut kind of short. So yeah, so we're only going to be coloring this. So yeah, and then the rest of it will be jet black. So yeah, let's get started. Some Reynolds wrap right here. Got some dye brushes right here. And just so you know, I am not professional. I have no clue what I'm doing. This is literally DIY. So if my hair comes out bad, I think it's okay. So it comes with a intense moisturizing conditioner, ammonia free, which that's another reason why I bought this one, because it's ammonia free. So this is the ammonia free base right here thingy, the number 2 thing. I don't know what to call this. This is the activating cream. So okay, so it came with a booster packet right here. What is that? So it says, how are you gonna give me this booster packet right here and not tell me what it's for? I don't know what it's for. Okay, so my best guess is that it helps when you have really dark color, and I have really dark color, so I'll just put it in there. I know, scary, but we'll just do it. Let's do it. So, oh boy, oh boy. Wait, do I fill out the whole thing? I guess I do. I'll put the booster pack in there. Yeah, it's just powder. Hold it right here. Shake it. Shake it. And take this. Maybe like here. Put some right here. Okay. That's it. So try to be very careful not to get this on my eyes. Like, do I even need the, what you call it? It's really watery. I hope it's thick enough. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Like, for real. Okay. It's very risky, and I'm just playing with my hair. I'm just playing with my hair. I guess I'll just leave it in here, wait 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So it's been 30 minutes. Top is my version. Where this is more jet black. It still looks very black. Okay, so is it looking red on camera? It's looking kind of red. Okay, they're still shampooing it, so ignore that, but what I wanted. It's definitely a try and fail, but let me go ahead and just second this off, and I will go ahead and dye the rest of my hair jet black. Okay, so at this point, I didn't even want to do the rest of my hair. I was just kind of over it because I was like, you know, I was so excited to color my hair that day, and I was already tired because I had got off work, but I was trying to just get it over with because this was mad spontaneous for me to do it to begin with. Must have been really heavy-handed because I'm already out of the first bottle. Was expecting my hair to come out all throughout the color, but it just didn't take because I had dyed my hair jet black previously, so that's the reason it didn't take the way it was supposed to. So yeah, and I did have to use 2 bottles of the black hair dye because it had ran out. So yeah, this is just what you're seeing right there of me getting those 2 colors in. Yeah, I am getting hair dye everywhere. That's the only hard part about black hair dye. Just slap it on there. Slap it on there. But the black hair dye is so easy to do though. It's just like, slap it on there. Slap it on there. Black dye is so messy, so actually lighter dye is a little less messy if I'm being honest. So yeah, black hair dye is so messy. I'll be back in like 40 minutes. I guess I'll leave it in, something like that. So okay, so I am back and here's what we're working with. My hair feels really soft, oddly enough. It's pretty defined and it's pretty moisturized. So here looks like I got a little bit of brown, and if you look really close, there's some brown right here, but not really. So it feels really moisturized. That color was well needed. Like, I just love a fresh jet black color. It feels so good on the hair. I'll be styling my hair. I'm gonna be doing like a twist out, and then I will be back the next day. I'll just be back the next day to show you how it looks with my hair basically freshly styled. So I'll be back tomorrow, or maybe the next day, I don't know yet, but hopefully be back tomorrow. All right, so I am back. Today is like, after I color my hair, I forgot to record like coming back, but basically this is my hair style the next week. I just wore my hair like in like, it was very stretched, so I just wore it in like some Bantu knots, but I'm not very good at Bantu knots, so it didn't come out that great, but it was just to kind of hold down my hair until I did the next day. But yeah, I do love my color so far. As you can see, I love the fact that I just put the color right in the front. So I know that like right here, they're supposed to be back there, but for the most part it is mainly just the color did not take all the way through. So as you can see, it mainly just took it right at the roots right here, and then like my ends are like, if you look closely, they're like a darker brown, and then like on the very ends they're still black. So but my jet black hair came out really good, as you can see. So I'm really happy with my jet black hair. Yeah, so this is just like the next week of my hairstyle. So, but yeah, just me trying to color my hair and attempt at it. But what I will probably do is just kind of let it grow out, and then I'll probably color the front again, because I just like that little bit of color. I just wanted a little bit. Like, I don't want it all over my hair because I know my whole head can't handle color. I do have fine hair, so I don't want it to get damaged, but yeah. So alright, that is the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you care. I do appreciate you watching. Hope you all have a blessed day, and see you all next time. Bye.